Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install a baby gate on a wall that has a gap at the top due to the baseboard. First thing that you're going to want is to get a small piece of baseboard or molding and cut it to size so that you can fill in that gap. Here what I'm doing is I'm mitering the edges so it looks like it's meant to be there. So here we're testing the fit to make sure that it'll sit vertically plumb. Here I am marking where the standoff needs to be. The more careful you are with marking where the standoff and marking what you need to do, the neater your final result will be. Here I'm drilling some countersunk holes so that I can attach it to the wall. Here I'm just marking where the holes are on the wall. Pro tip, use a junk mail envelope, piece of masking tape to catch the drywall dust when you're drilling holes. Tap in your drywall anchors. And install the screws. That baby's not going anywhere. Now I pre-glued the molding off screen, and here is a finish nail which I've chucked up into the drill, and I'm pre-drilling using the finish nail. This way it won't split the wood, and we know that it's going to fit that finish nail size. Hammer them in, and make your marks. Install the clips onto the wall. And test for fitment. On the bottom, we're going to remark and make sure that we can make the clip fit properly. Mark the holes. Again, use the envelope to catch any shavings or dust. Install the screws. Now on this one, we're going to mark where the handle sits. And I wanted this to wrap around the corner. Didn't want it on the face of the post. So I'm drilling some pilot holes. attaching the handle clip. For the top one, rather than measuring, I just held it in place. Do the same thing, pre-drill, and screws in. Now the finished product. Please like, subscribe, and comment.